Welcome. In this video, I'll be demonstrating a primitive banking system which we named as Swift Bank. I will go ahead and run the project. Right now we don't have any saved data, so it is asking us to register first. I'll enter the name, then password, then contact number, city. Then it will ask us to select a type of account which we would like to add. So I'll select one for salary account, and then it will ask us that specific account type related information to add. Account balance I would like to add as 10,000. Employer I would like to add as Google. Monthly salary. It is asking us if we want to add more bank accounts. I'll say yes. Now I'll select 3 for fixed deposit account. Account balance I would like to add 15,000. Then the duration of fixed deposit 14 months, for example. It will show us the interest rate for that fixed deposit account is actually 9%. I'll say no to more bank accounts. It says registration successful, and then it will ask if we want to add more customer. I'll say yes. Then I'll enter name, set the password, then contact number, then city, then again it will ask us for a specific type of account. I'll say 2 for saving account. For saving account it will say that the minimum balance we need to maintain is 100 and the interest rate is 6%. Then it is asking us to enter the amount. We'll say 7,000. No to more account, registration successful, and then we'll say no to add more customers. So after saying no, it will save the data at this file location, and it says the details saved. And after that it will show us with the specific menu to either if we want to register a user, or if we want to log in for an existing customer, or exit. For I mean, to see all the saved data in a JSON string, uh, we have an option to enter 9. So this is the string data that we recently saved for 2 customers that we have added. So right now if we try to uh, say to log in for an existing user, it will ask us for a name and a password. If the name and password will be matching, then it will say that the welcome note, and it will actually present us with the transactions menu. In that menu we can select one to display current balance. So it will display the current balance of available bank accounts that we added. Then we can enter 2 to deposit money. It will ask us to add the amount to deposit. We'll say 500. From which account we would like to actually deposit the amount. We'll say salary account. The new balance with updated balance have been already printed, and the data have been saved to the file, and the message that says details have been saved. Then again, if we enter 3 to draw money, it will ask us to enter the amount. Then to select a specific bank account, you withdraw 3,000 amount, new balance has been printed, and the details have been saved. Then we will do the money transfer. We enter the number 4. From which account would you like to transfer? We select one, salary account. it will say you have 10,500 amount in your salary account. How much money would you like to transfer? We'll say 5,000. Enter the account number in which you would like to transfer the money, and it will print all available account numbers. For example, if we want to transfer to 003, which is Akash's account, then the new balance of both account will be printed and say transfer successful, and the data will be saved. Then to pay electricity bill, we press 5. From which account would you like to pay? We'll say 3 for fixed deposit. Available balance has been printed. Now we need to enter the amount that we want to pay. We'll say 4,000. Then you have successfully paid your electricity bill. New balance has been printed and the details have been saved. Then to pay credit card, press 6. Same as above, we need to enter or select the type of account. For this, I would like to select one for salary account. The available balance has been printed, and the amount we would like to add 2,000. You have successfully paid your credit card bill. The updated amount has been printed and the data have been saved. Then if we want to add new bank account, we need to select 7. Which account would you like to open? So this time I'll say 2 for saving account. So it will say minimum balance you need to maintain is 100 for savings account and interest rate is 6. To enter the money amount, I would say 9,000. So that account has been created, and I'll say N to know for any more account. Then the data will be saved, and again it will show us the transaction menu. Now to show or change the customer detail, we need to press 8. So below are the customer details that have been printed. If you want to change our name, then press 1 or any specific digit which is actually associated with that detail. So I'll say I'll change the city. So I'll press 3. New city I would like to add as Toronto, and save. The data have been saved. So now we can actually enter 0 to log out. So if I enter 0, it will say that the logout successful, and it will redirect us in the main menu. From the main menu, if I enter 9 to see the data, everything have been added and edited. So for example, for my account, the address, the city has been changed to Toronto, right? And from here I can enter actually 0 to exit the program. So it will print a thank you message and exit the program. Right, thank you very much.